If you not found your location on Google Map, don't worry. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to find your location on Google Map. So let's see how to do it. First of all, open your Play Store app and search here Google Map. Check it update and go back to home screen. Go to your settings and scroll down. Tap on apps and find Google Map. Tap on apps and tap on storage. Tap on clear data. Clear all data. Tap on OK and go back to home screen to restart your phone.
Sorry, I can't turn off or restart your phone. To open the power menu,
OK. After completing restart, open your Google Map. And see your problem solved successfully. Thanks for watching. Stay connected for more updates.